Doorbell installation. There are 3 ways for installation. If you mount the doorbell on a smooth surface, make sure the surface is smooth, dry, and clean. Peel off the red foil that has 3M VHB texts on it and attach the backplate to where you want to sit the doorbell. Make sure the surface is non-metallic to prevent electromagnetic. Make sure the doorbell is turned on and align the doorbell on top and then snap it on the bottom. Press it down until it clicks into place. If you mount your doorbell on a wooden surface, perform the following steps. First, use the screw hold positioning card to help you drill holes. If you want to change the angle of the doorbell, use the included wedge. You need to use the provided long screws to install the wedge. This can be useful if your doorbell is located in a corner or close to a wall that blocks the camera's view. Then, use the short screws to secure the mounting bracket on the wedge. If you don't need the wedge, then just use the provided long screws to secure the mounting bracket on the wall. Then, snap the doorbell onto the mounting plate with an up and in motion. If you mount the doorbell on a surface made of brick, concrete, stucco, etc., drill 4 holes in the screw hole locating card with a 6mm drill bit. Insert the anchors and then use the screws to secure the mounting bracket on the wall. If you don't need the wedge, then just use the provided long screws to secure the mounting bracket on the wall. Then, snap the doorbell onto the mounting plate with an up and in motion. After installation, please switch on the anti-theft siren first. To disassemble the doorbell, please switch off the anti-theft siren first. Then use the doorbell disassemble pin to take the doorbell off. There are also 2 options for recharging. You can use a battery pack, which requires a separate purchase. When the battery pack runs out, recharge it using a Type-C cable. You can choose the power adapter. The process takes about 6 to 7 hours before fully charged.